Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. This is Miss JD for a very early episode of our daily stock market insights. Well, not so early because it's already 9 in the morning, but good thing there is no market today. It's a holiday. So I hope you're having a great holiday today. Um, I was not able to record yesterday. It was already late when I arrived. I went to the office. Grabe, sobrang traffic. So I'm not really so used to going to the office anymore. Sana mas-sustain, pero hindi pa naman kami 100% pumupunta sa office. Pumupunta lang ako mga once, twice a week. But okay, so I make up for the miss last night. Technically, hindi pa naman siya miss kasi wala pa market today. So we want to make sure na may insights tayo before the market opens tomorrow. Okay. So guys, if this is the first time you're watching my video, as you notice, araw-araw po tayo may video kasi I review stocks. Most especially mga requests ninyo. So as you can see here, mga request na sa comment. I do read them. At I just want to highlight, of course, Raymond. Always present yan si Raymond sa atin. And he has an idea. Sabi niya, if I could request Tel and Globe again, please, I request them daily at this point because I want to see your thought process as you develop the narrative around each stock. I think we, your viewers, can learn more this way. Doing these consecutively makes it almost like a video rather than a snapshot of that, if that makes sense. Yeah, you're giving me really good idea. In fact, I've been wanting to do that. Like, but this the approach is like I look back because after each market day, I would normally go to my old video or the video from the previous day, and then I try to synthesize, and analyze the thought process, see if it makes sense, or try to copy the correct strategy and apply it in my trades. So parang ganun yung concept. Although that would also require bit of editing kasi babalikan ko yung previous video and then tatahiin sa present. So I wonder if that's the same concept you have in mind or talagang dedicated for that journey. For instance, Tel and Globe, the the Chronicle of Tel and Globe, parang ganun. Or basta, I'll try to build around this idea. Sobrang gusto ko siya. And yeah, so thank you everyone for making that time to leave a comment. I do appreciate it so much. Please continue para at least ma-recognize ni YouTube ang channel natin at i-share niya sa mas maraming tao at we can influence more people. Hindi siya after all that complex kung araw-araw nating inaaral ang stock market. Kasi hindi siya complex, hindi rin siya madali. Pero if you practice every single day, you read charts every single day, you develop a muscle memory like what we do here. Okay? So, just hang in there, sit down, relax, magkape na kayo para makapag-umpisa tayo sa ating uh, analysis. Okay? So far, I have a lot to cover. Sana hindi kayo mabore, okay? So, umpisa natin kay index. Si index ay nag-pull back ng konti. That's expected kasi very significant yung kanyang pag-jump sa presyo nung nakarang araw. So, at this point, guys, hindi pa tayo out of the woods. Kahit may 552 million foreign buying, nag-pull back siya. Kagandahan lang is nasa above MA20 line na tayo. Itong Bollinger Band ko, yung gitnang linya ay MA20 line. Pero overall, kung titingnan mo, still within the downward trajectory of our resistance. Declining resistance pa rin kasi yan. So, babantayan natin bukas kung dito pa rin siya sa loob ng ating support and resistance, then hindi pa talaga tayo safe. Pero kapag binrake niya, nag-break yung ating resistance level na yan, then let's say mag-start siya above it, then it's a different story. Baka may continuation to the upside. So ito yung area na i-observe natin, guys, ha. Okay, so let's start with GMA7. Okay, finally, no? So GMA7 oh, what's wrong with my chart? Okay, si GMA7 second day na, second day. Oh, breakout na to of the downtrend channel. Cross na siya officially sa MA20 line at itong one green candlestick. That's already our confirmation na nag-breakout na siya sa downtrend. Pero may malapit kang resistance, punta muna tayo sa weekly chart. Ayan, oh, ang ganda ng pagka-bounce niya, oh. Layo pa ng resistance sa weekly chart. And ibig sabihin ng weekly chart, guys, bawat candlestick dito sa chart na to ay isang linggo. So, madami-dami yan, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. More than 1 month. So, kung wala pa volume, chances are mga maliliit na candlesticks lang yan per day. Pero, ang gusto natin as we go higher and higher, dapat ang ating candlestick ay paakyat. Pero hindi pa natin yan nakikita sa ngayon. So, expect na magsa-sideways muna siya dito. May days na or may weeks na bullish siya, may weeks din na magpo-pullback siya. Pero andito pa tayo sa support niyang bago, which is around 8.73. So, yan ang ating aabangan. Go ahead, just continue requesting that para ma-monitor natin. And drop a comment, let me know your thoughts kung ito'y nasusundan mo. Let me know, Miss JD, yung analysis mo the other day, tama. Or Miss JD, yung analysis mo yesterday, palpak. Just let me know. Anyway, pinapakinggan ko naman yung aking mga videos from the previous day. I would know. Okay, so yan siya, 8.73. Ang revenue, anong nangyari sa revenue niya? Si Itbulaga lang tong, Q1 2023 nag-decline. They're down to 602 million net income, which was 71% lower than Q1 of 2022. Pero andyan pa rin naman, may dividend siya noong April. Alam ko once a year lang to nagbibigay, pero medyo nasa high side sila magbigay. Similar to SCC, DMC, LTG, yan yung mga mataas magbigay. Next would be DMC. Ayan. Ayan na. Ito na yung hinihintay natin. One nice green candlestick on a daily chart. Pero, di pa yan 100% safe kasi itong ating resistance at the moment, ito yung MA20 line. Okay? Kailangan natin ng another green candlestick na tumawid or tatawid above that para masabi natin na nagre-recover na. This stock has gotten out of the downtrend channel that we are observing at the moment. Ito siya, di ba? Ganyan yung downtrend niya, resistance niya. So, abangan natin, guys. I am confident. Well, may mga fluctuation yan kasi pag 3.30 in the Philippine market, significant change yan in a day. Except na lang kung, actually, sa lahat, significant change yan in a day sa Philippine market. Pero sa US, parang wala lang yan. In US stocks, you will see 15%, 20% movements in a day. Kasi ang liit ng natin ang liit ng volume ng buong Philippine market. Kaya ganito lang tayo gumalaw. May maximum pang 50% potential movement in a day. Pag si ceiling play, max lang talaga is 50%. So yun siya, guys, ha. Tandaan natin, may fluctuation posible. Magiging attractive yan sa mga taong hindi pa nakapasok or balak pang magdagdag. So, pag may opportunity pa kayo within this triangle, do it. Kasi I think malapit na talaga tong mahinog. Kasi I mentioned the other day, nagsisipag, bilihan na yung mga insider, yung mga officials, yon. Anong balita? DMC construction unit keen on more contracts to build data centers. Sige. Hopefully makatulong yan sa mga movements. Hindi ko pa yun nababasa, pero basahin nyo na lang guys. At you try to analyze how will this relate to the potential movement in the coming days kay DMC. Pero ang laki ng potential kasi ang dami or ang laki din ng bagsak, no? So yun siya. MBT, ano to? Hindi ko maalala kailan ko to din drawing. Pero look, naghinto talaga siya sa area na pinlat natin, no? I can't recall kailan ko to pinlat na to. I'll try to look into my previous video baka doon nga. At okay, I'll remove this. So guys, itong linya where we are at right now, this is acting as a resistance and dito pa siya sa MA20 kasi may support siya dito. So, ang babantayan, two things, okay? If the first 1 hour, 30 minutes to an hour of the day bukas, if most of the sentiment happens above the MA20 line, there is a big possibility you are already moving to the upside. Kasi, ang laki din ng drop nito, downward trend siya since May hanggang end of June. So, pag nagtawid yan ng MA20 line, ibig sabihin, we are now reversing. Okay? If you want to see that on a weekly chart, ayan, nag-bounce na nga siya. At makikita niyo yan agad. Kasi tingnan niyo to. Yun. Well, before the week started, medyo ano ka pa niyan. Medyo ano pa tayo niyan. Medyo andun pang hesitation. But given that now, first 3 days or first 2 days, andyan na yung sentiment, pataas na siya, there's a likelihood na ito na nga ang confirmation ng bounce niya at the 53.52 level. Pero kailangan ng bantayan dahil may short term dito, may resistance. Pero isipin mo, kung MBT ito, pag may short term resistance at nakapag-bounce na siya sa, area na discounted, magsisettle ka lang ba sa what 3 peso gain per share? Uh, Ako titingnan ko yung mas malawak na horizon. Tingnan mo kung how far are we from its full potential. Dito tayo titingin. Andito pa eh. Mayroon ka pang nasa 92 level and you're just halfway there. We're just halfway. So, think again if your profile meets that criteria, then okay. Pero kung ang balak mo lang talaga is to position trade or sakyan yung momentum niya, then it's your choice. You can take profit in key levels like 62, like 68. Yan ang mga resistance niya on your way up. Ito, 62. Ito, 68. Yan yung mga key levels. Nasa weekly chart tayo, but at least mas klaro. Mas noisy kasi ang daily chart. Pero kung mas mabilis na time frame ang nilalaro mo, then you can go with daily. Ito, alam mo nang pataas na siya. Then, saka ka magda-daily ngayon. Ayan. Ilang araw na yan bubunuin para maabot yung 60%, 60.7. Okay? So, expect on your way up, talagang may volatility, talagang may profit-taking days. So, that's part of it na we traders, we investors face along the way. So, yun siya, ang MBT, MPI naman, ayun na nga, MPI, umakyat yun eh, ayun. So, ito pa rin ang hinihintay natin, di ba? Kasi na-postpone nga yung delisting nila. And we're now waiting for the official uh, tender offer price. Okay, so ito, you have to decide kung lalaruin mo to before that day or maghihintay ka na lang ng offer price nila. Baka, baka, you know, kung ipit ka, mas malapit at least kahit papano sa price mo, or kung if you were able to enter it at a lower level, at least you can maximize your full potential gain. At this point, kahit papaano, umakyat na talaga siya. So, market has pushed for that. And I think you can read in one of the comments, hindi ko lang maalala who commented on that, but he shared a really good insight about MPI. I think madaming mga fundamentalist na nanonood sa channel natin, and I am calling for all of you guys. I highly empower you and encourage you to please help Miss JD, because ang laro ko talaga, and this is like a playground to me. The charting is my area of I'd say expertise, pero mga fundamentals and mga bali-balita sa paligid, yan ang kailangan ko may tulong, kasi I am not able to read all of these sa buong araw, especially kasi may trabaho tayo. Okay? So yon, that is something I look forward from all of you guys. At sa ngayon, okay, on a daily chart, ito, kung totoong resistance level ito, let's try to go to the weekly. Baka kasi resistance area siya. Okay, ito na nga. May resistance sa area niya. Kaya siguro medyo bearish yung candlestick nung... Ito, oh. Kita niyo ba to? Ito is yung area na yan. So, posibleng yan, oh. Yan, para mas klaro. Dito. Itong level na to may consolidation dyan na, I mean, may rejection na nangyayari. Kaya siguro on a daily chart, napansin nyo na may pagbagal na nangyari nung kahapon. Pero, alam natin na may volatility na tinatawag. So, posibleng may push pa na isang konti at we might experience some rejection sa 4.89, at babalik muna siya. Hindi ko alam kung dito or i-observe natin yan kung yung previous resistance ay magiging support niya. So if you want to plot yung Fibonacci, you can just do that as well. Kasi on your way up, may may pag-pullback, 'di ba? Ang Fibonacci retracement tool will help you determine kung saan siya pwedeng mag-bounce. Bounce levels itong Fibonacci tools. For example, dito lang, hindi pa natin to final. So, yan ang key areas na kung saan siya pwedeng magbalik or bumalik. Yan ah. Kaso ang aking pinlot ay dito hanggang dulo. Pero kung gagawin mo, yeah, pwedeng dyan or balik tayo. Remove drawings. Kung dito ka naman mag-start, pwede din. Saan nga ba yun? Oops. Balik ako weekly chart. Kasi dito tayo nag-plot, di ba? This is just anticipating key area ng kanyang pag-bounce. 4.86 kunwari. Tapos, dito talaga eh. Diyan ka. Ayan. Okay? So, on a weekly chart, dito ako nag-plot. Assuming na ito na nga resistance natin, pag na-hit niya yung level na yan at nag-slow down siya, chances are, pupull back siya, babalikan niya to. Kasi dito may resistance ka din, oh. Sakto lang yan. Baka dito siya magbabounce pabalik, 4.48. Alright? There you have it. Oh, sakto. Dito nga. Yan, sa MA20 talaga siya babalik. Based on what I have plotted in the Fibonacci. At saka titingnan nyo rin, huwag niyong kalimutan itong RSI kasi supporting ano nyo yan, supporting detail nyo yan. Nasa overbought level siya, pero kaya siya naging secondary ko lang dahil we can stay in an overbought level for an extended period of time. Isa pang titingnan natin na posible may potential pa na iakyat niya ng konti dahil ito, yung iyong RSI ay hindi pa nag-show ng sign of weakness kahit nasa taas tayo. So, ang i-observe nyo dyan, pag nagsi-stabilize siya dito at ang iyong RSI, kunwari, nagpabagsak na, nag-slow down. Ito, bigyan ko kayo ng perfect example nito. Remove drawings. Ang isang example niyan ay ito. Kita nyo to, paakyat siya, di ba? Ang iyong RSI pabagsak. That means humihina na, nawawala ng momentum. Kaya, anong nangyari? Nag-drop. 'Di ba? Yan ang sinasabi ko. Habang paakyat siya, kung umaakyat pa rin, ibig sabihin, andun pa, gusto pa yan ng mga tao. Pero, in this situation, ay may volume pa nga, oh. Ang gusto ng tao, pwede pa itong iakyat, pero another thing to note is may malapit na potential resistance. Okay? Medyo weakness lang to for today, pero may konti pang ibubuga. Next is home. Oy, very good si home. Maganda ang volume. Nice to. Feeling ko may laro to in the coming days. And triggering the upper Bollinger Band siya with a nice volume. So I am positive that there will be a continuation. And of course, laruin nyo yung volatility nito. May mga magpa-profit take intraday, pero the overall sentiment is really going to go up. Intraday, dito ang yung possible support. Ito yung baka magkaroon ng wick, alam niyo yun, magkaroon ng wick at i-revisit yung 1.73. Kahit mag-place ka na ng order at 1.73, hopefully ma-touch siya at saka, dalhin ka pataas. Pero overall, ito I feel that this is going to reverse na. Natawid na natin yung May 20 line eh. So really good to see this. Ito, nice Q1 earnings, 850% kasi yung buong annual niya. Baka yung buong 2022 mahina and this started the year strong. So, yeah. Abangan niyo yan. Ang ganda ng pagka-drop niya, oh. Hindi pala siya maganda na pagka-drop kasi imagine mo, ang daming buwan yan na antagonize sa mga or ano yung tamang term? Na syempre, uneasy ang mga investors natin habang pababayan. But at this point, I see recovery, signs of recovery. Ito siya, oh. Ito yung perfect example. Nag-trigger siya. Pag trigger niya, tuloy-tuloy. May mga red days, pero tuloy-tuloy yung pag-akyat. Siyempre, umabot ka rin ng resistance, kaya bagsak na naman. Guys, hindi ibig sabihin na pag-recover niya, dun agad sa taas, ha? Dito agad yung landing. No. Ay, may mga resistance yan. Pag abot ng resistance, hindi natin alam kung ano ang full potential ng kanyang pag-recover. Ito, yan. Big resistance to really conquer ito. 3.37. Okay. So, yan si home. Si green. Green. Hala, nangyari kay green. Nilaro tayo ni green, oh. Isang buong araw. Ito yung mga gustong-gusto ng mga intraday traders. May iba sa kanila, sinalo dito at nilaro, paakyat. Kung nasalo nila yung pinaka-bottom, tsaka kabenta sila dito, that's 18% agad in one day. Tingnan natin kailan yan nangyari. Ito, oh. Grabe, oh. Sa isang 15-minute chart lahat yan nangyari. Tama ba? Yeah, grabe. Ito yung sinasabi ko. Ang 9:30, first 30 minutes of the day, yan ang pinaka-volatile na parte ng araw. Oh. Nag-start siya dito, 9:30. Nag-drop siya, din-drop niya. Nilaro. Ang hindi natin alam kung, well, I still have to funnel it further to faster time frame. Basta bumagsak, umakyat. May sumalo dito, may sinundo. Normally they would say, may sinundo at the 1.15. Tapos umakyat. Tapos nag-profit take na sila. Yan ang, ano, I think ang daming chupitero. Chupitero ng araw na to. Pero volume andyan. Grabe dito. I think yung madami sa kanila nag accumulate nung time na to. Akyat, akyat, akyat. Tapos volume is also going up. Ito yung kuan mo. Itong red candlestick na yan. Yan yung dapat nakapag-isip ka na dyan. Na nagpa-profit take ng mga tao. Sana nakahabol ka din pag exit mo. Pero ito, uh, we'll see kung magre-recover agad, pero ito 1.16 ang nakikitang support for this stock. May resistance ka dito, may support ka dito. So, may volatility na mangyayari dito and 1.16 is your support. TEL and Globe. TEL. Ayan na. Okay. So, si TEL ay nag-recover, nagpo-pullback, gumagawa ng bagong support. Okay, so sabi natin, past few days, I've been mentioning about TEL. Sabi ko, I am seeing potential na magre-recover na talaga to si TEL. And officially, nakapag-break na talaga siya ng MA20 line. And on its way up, ganito yan eh. Normally, gagawa siya ng ganyan. Gagawa ng bagong support sa previous resistance at aakyat. Pwede mo rin gamitan ng Elliott Wave sa mga experts sa Elliott Wave. Madami ding gumagamit yan. Okay. So, in the weekly chart, tumawid na tayo dyan sa MA20 niya. Di ba? So, ang Elliott Wave ay dito. For example, aakyat siya. Approach niya yung first na wave niya. Tapos sa previous niyang resistance, titingin ka lang yan sa left eh. Ito, for example, ito, resistance niya to dati. Pwedeng dyan siya magpo-pullback. Tapos, aakyat ulit siya. Hanap tayo ng next niyang resistance. Pwedeng ganun eh. Ayan oh. Yan. Or pwedeng, oops. Yeah. Tapos dito siya babalik. Tapos, aakyat siya ng ulit dito. Yan. At saka magpo-pullback. Normally, there are 5 waves. Yan, in the Elliott wave. So, hindi yan That's just to illustrate kung ano ang itsura ng isang Elliott wave. Pupunta siya, aakyat siya. Normally, ang point where it will reach is yung previous resistance, yung mga key levels. Tapos, may magpa-profit take. Babalikan niya yung previous na key area again. Previous resistance can act as a support, yung mga ganong tipo. But definitely, it's creating higher high and higher low, right? Ang one thing I have observed lang sa Elliott wave, normally, itong third point na to, yan ang may mas mahabang linya. So we'll try to look for that because this is just an anticipation just to illustrate. Hindi doesn't follow na ganyan talaga ang magiging eksena, okay? Kasi I'm not a manghuhula. Okay. Weekly chart, ang weekly chart, may green na tayo kay Globe. Pero unlike the chart of TEL, hindi ba tayo talagang 100% out of the woods kasi gumagalaw pa rin tayo sa baba ng MA20 line. So, the daily chart, nagsishow na siya ng signs of recovery pero flat pa rin yan sa paningin ko. Posible pa rin niya mag-fluctuate at balik-balikan itong 1,710. Pero let's say another day, mag-green ulit siya. Ang pinaka the best dito ay pag na-break niya itong uh, dead cat bounce na naganap dito. Dito, ito yung nearest resistance niya. So, let's wait and see at tingnan natin. Pero, the moment na mag-cross na tayo ng MA20 line, especially sa weekly chart, yan ako makakasabing, okay, ito na. Minsan nga, hindi pa eh, short-lived pa. Kita mo, nasa MA20 na tayo nito, pero hindi pa naging successful. Kasi tingnan nyo, wala volume. Ang gusto natin, habang umaakyat siya, yung volume nagpipick up. Kaya hindi siya nasa-sustain. 'Di ba? At yan yung weekly chart, 'di ba? So, abangan niyo lang guys, but ultimately mag-ipon tayo. Ito yung mga stocks na dapat natin pag-ipunan. At I know may Starlink na threat sa mga telco company. My take on that is hindi niyan definitely masasaturate everyone in the market unless mag-adjust sila ng pricing nila. Kasi right now, nasa 25,000 to buy everything, yung kit nila. Then you can, kahit sa probinsya ka, pwede mo ano, and you need to have that open space. Kasi ang source of ano nila, yung kanila is in the, ano eh, yung satellites. Di ba? I am not the expert at it, pero kailangan ng open space. Eh, kung nandito ka sa Metro Manila, na nakatira ka sa building, ano, kailangan mo may balcony, or kailangan mo talagang, yeah, kailangan, o sa bubong mo. Parang ang hassle, di ba? At hindi lahat may ganang luxury na yung bahay nila may open space at makakuha ng signal. But I don't know what innovations they can make to reach everyone. But definitely my take on it, si Globe, si TEL, itong mga converge na to will still have their own market share. Even nandito, magkakaroon pa rin ng market share. So, my 2 cents here, particularly for TEL and Globe, napaka-solid na company, profitable. At the same time, they give dividend. So, habang mura pa siya, dito tayo mag-accumulate. Okay? So, I think yun lang muna for this video, guys. I hope I was able to share insightful views today. Mag-comment lang kayo and I'll try to see baka sa listahan ko today may na-miss ako. I will try to record another round tonight. Kasi nag-holiday off din ako today. Sige, sige. Paalam muna. Bye-bye.